Good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, then we see. Things have changed a little bit. And we've seen it early last week and we started not doing that much. And then we moved to buying puts and things continue to go down. And to me, this is really, really simple. And if you really paid attention, if you really paid attention, you understood this and you understood the why and everything else. And there's a set of people that no matter what's going on in the market, up, down, whatever, they want to counter trend. Then they want to complain when it doesn't work. And then here's the biggest part. There's no particular reason to do some things, and they just want to do something. So if they don't get, let's say a caterpillar's not moving and say snow's not moving, they come up with these alternate stocks. Oh, do you like Twilio? Or do you like this stock? Or do you like, these things that we haven't even looked at for 6 months? And see, that's a sign, I'm telling you guys. This is a sign of you're going to get wiped out. You just are. If there's nothing to do, there's nothing to do, right? I mean, is that like rocket science? Tesla, trying to break. There's no reason in the world, not one reason to buy Tesla to the upside till it gets near 266. Okay? It's just not going. Hold on. Let me get back into this account. Just so I have access. Typed it wrong. Okay. So you just have to understand there's a time to be aggressive. There's time to chill. Okay, look at what was going on. Roku, down 2.5 weeks in a row. It can't even pop $3. Can't pop $3. Yet when we bought it, 10 points out of the money were $2. Now, at the money is $2. He doesn't think it's going to go. SPX just went negative, okay? I mean, you're getting these reports. Morgan Stanley says NVIDIA, best of the best, and it's down. SMCI, look at it go lower. I still don't know why SMCI is down. They beat, they raised, they guided higher, said everything is great. Not one thing of bad news, and it's way lower, okay? So that's okay. Because when you know that, that's how you have to play everything. Caterpillar earnings were so good. It goes to 294, and now it's just sitting there. It wasted a week doing nothing. Nothing. Okay? I mean, NOW hits 592. It's down 42 points. Microsoft started the whole thing right lower. Okay? So just chill and wait. I'm not so sure the market doesn't go way down another 100 points on SPX. And then we start back up. But it needs news. So what news is that? Well, the only news that I see that's really coming is AMAT. So AMAT has to guide up. But not only does it have to guide up, its stock has to go up 10. It can't go up 2. It has to guide up. And Lam Research has to go up 40. It can't go up 10. Okay? Just know that. So here's the reality of the situation. If NVIDIA is real, now people are speculating it's not real. They guided up by $8 billion, but what if $5 billion of those are Chinese orders? And that means you can't get more Chinese orders after this quarter because they can't deliver anymore. Maybe this quarter, but nothing after that. So that goes away. So then are they going to guide down? Wow. If they guide down, 320 comes. 320. Okay? But here's the thing. So let's say it's real. So NVIDIA is real. It's going to get better. Then why would SMCI be down 100? Okay? So just wait and chill. Why would Lam Research be down? They're thinking, oh, nobody's buying computers. Really? That means it should go right back up. So then now you take this logic. If Lam Research doesn't go up, that means they don't think it's real, and they're thinking they're selling everything till they don't. When do they stop selling anything? I don't know. But when they do, we go back up. You guys can hear me, right? There's no comments here today. Everybody's sleeping. Any comments? Hello? Well, that's interesting. Okay, good. Okay, thanks. Okay, so does that make sense? I mean, to me, this is as simple a market as you have. If Lam Research runs and Caterpillar run, then we can go back up. But if they don't, and they're just kind of like where they are right now, look at Tesla breaking. Tesla takes out this 233. It's probably 209. If it takes out 209, Jesus, 174. Okay? 174. Very interesting, right? Very interesting. But everything is working lower, so let it go lower. We're sitting there, we didn't buy much. We just sat there, but we're about to go buy some SPX puts because I think this is going to crater again. But here's the thing. We always crater, and then we pop back up, so you got to sell them. We had, what, 2 1,000+% winners on SPX puts. Covered everything and more. So just chill and wait, okay? Now, PanW has earnings Friday after the close, and they're going to guide for the next 2-3 years after the close. Why? I don't even know what to say to this one. I don't even know what to say. Why is... Nobody ever reports earnings on a Friday. Nobody. Ever. Okay, so that's what we see. But let me tell you, this NVIDIA breaks 400. You got 392 and 374. 392 and 374. Okay? So just keep an eye out on this. I actually like Snow 170s for earnings, which would be, you got to use the 25th, I would use. But they're $4. I mean, if they get down to $2, I'm intrigued with them at $2. Okay? But I'm not intrigued with them at $4, and I'm not intrigued if nothing else is going up. Okay? SMCI, the first day it opens up 15, can't open up 5, can't open up 10. The first day it opens up 15 has a possibility of a 35-point day. The first day NOW opens up 15, can't open up 10. It has a 30-point day. The first time Tesla opens up 10 can move probably 20. But you got to sit and wait and relax. We're probably going to buy some SPX puts here because that's the market you have. But I love Lam Research into AMAT's earnings. But here's the thing. If it gets down to, say, 630, then we buy the 650s at $2. Why? Because there's only AMAT earnings are Thursday after the close. Okay? Now, they have an opportunity to change this thing. They have the opportunity to change this thing. So do they? I don't know. Let's see. So that's what we know. Okay? Okay, hold on a second. Okay. So where do we go from here? So just relax, okay? SPX down 5. That puts it at 44.59. You got 44.50, 44.50, and then you got 44.21. And then under that, 4,000 and 43.50. Now, the other thing that's happening here, is the Treasury is putting out so much paper, and that's why we're going lower, okay? So just understand that. So keep an eye on it. As they keep putting out more and more paper, there's no room to buy any of this other stuff, and everybody's saying, why are they doing that? Now, I still go back to one question that I would ask Yellen. And here's a question. I would ask Yellen, so you're going to put out $700 billion, now you're putting on $1 trillion plus. So why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? You can do that later. Do your 700, and if you need more, do it later. And here's the answer I get that I think of. She knows that interest rates aren't coming down. So if she does it later, she has to put it out at a higher interest rate. That's not a good answer. That means they're not going to take rates lower. Okay? Then we see. That's what we know. But one of these days, you're going to get 150 point down on SPX and then a pop reversal. And just wait. And today, just watch for NVIDIA. SPX down 6 now. Okay, Avago. Avago hits 922 Sam's number. It's down 100. It's down 100. Wow. 852, 871, 780. NVIDIA. 401, 392. Needs 439. So it needs way up there. If it needs way up there, just chill. Okay? If it needs up there, just chill. Okay? Land Research. 676. Okay? 632. Lilly. 538, as clear a stock as there is. Over 538 rips. Okay? UPST. Questions. See, you always have questions on stuff. UPST was great, and it's the ultimate AI stock. It's the one that's really doing AI. Okay? Okay? They're doing loans on AI. How come they didn't guide up? How come they didn't get any new orders? Does that make any sense? Doesn't make any sense. Let it go lower. At 26, we'll like the 40 for earnings again. Okay? Snowman. 149, 142. MDB. Down 75. Wow. You got 381 to sniff it. Underneath 330. Carvana needs 76 and 52. Great news and goes down. Zscaler. 133 down, 152 up. Roku needs 82, 86 to get better. BKNG, 31.32 down, 32.62 up. PanW, 211 down, 227 up, but you got to use next week's. Okay? Got to use next week's. Caterpillar, 288. SMCI, 241 down, 233, 272 to sniff it. Amazon, 141, 149. NOW. This one, the 570s are so cheap, it makes you think, Jesus, these guys know something. It's not even going to go up $1. Very interesting. So just wait. Microsoft, 319, 318, 309. Tesla, 231. But here's the bigger thing of Tesla. If Tesla goes down 20, the market will crater. Just understand this. Everybody have a great trading day. See you, chat.